In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively style headings across your website using a design tool. This is a crucial skill for maintaining consistency and ensuring your site looks professional and visually appealing. To start, let's focus on selecting a heading. On your design canvas, click on any heading element that you want to modify. This will help us isolate the specific element we want to work with. Once you've clicked the heading, you'll notice that the Style panel should be visible on the right side of your screen. If you don't see it immediately, make sure to check your workspace setup or panel settings so it's open and ready for the next steps. With the Style panel in view, your next move is to change the selector. You'll find a selector field at the top of the Style panel. This selector usually displays the class name of the heading element you're working on, perhaps something like Heading 1. By clicking this selector field, you open a drop-down menu where you can choose a global tag to style more uniformly across your website. These options will typically appear in a pink color and are marked with a tag icon, making them easy to spot. Options like All H1 headings or All H2 headings are ideal choices when you want to apply consistent styles to every heading of that type throughout your site. Once you've selected your desired global tag, you're ready to apply styles. Adjust the properties such as font type, font size, color, and weight as needed. Remember, any changes you make here will automatically update every heading with the same tag on your website, so consider your choices carefully. This is a powerful way to ensure uniformity and enhance the aesthetic flow of your pages. Finally, it's important to save your changes. Most tools will automatically save for you, but always double-check to be certain. Once you're happy with your adjustments, you'll need to publish your site for these changes to take effect live. This step is crucial. It ensures that what you've configured is what your visitors will see. And there you have it, simple steps to master styling headings on your website for a more cohesive look. Following these methods not only saves you time, but also ensures that the visual hierarchy of your site remains consistent, which can greatly enhance the overall user experience. Remember, a well-designed site starts with attention to detail, and styling your headings effectively is a big part of that. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing!